welcome back. Today we're gonna do a lion with a fork. If you wanna know how, keep watching. The materials that we're gonna use today is gonna be a construction paper, a tray, a fork, a marker, and paint. Parents, this activity is a teamwork. We're gonna begin by drawing a lion head. It doesn't have to be perfect. We're gonna need a circle for the head and circle for the ears, 2 circles for the eyes, and finally the nose. And we have a lion, but we are still missing something. Yes, you are right. We're missing our lion's mane. I'm using yellow, but you can use any colors that you have. We're gonna pour some paint on the tray. Once you have your paint ready, we're gonna dip our fork into the paint front to back. Now we're gonna start having fun, and we're gonna do front to back. We're gonna get some more paint. And we just keep going around. Now we have a beautiful lion head. Now we can let it dry. But I love to explore, and red is my favorite color. So I'm gonna add some red to my tray. I'm gonna go front to back, and I'm gonna go one more time around my lion's head. Don't worry, there's no right or wrong. Just let your kid have fun and explore. I guess I finished. I love how my 2 colors come together. Alright, I finished my lion's head. I cannot wait to see what colors you're gonna use and how amazing work you're gonna do. Remember to clean and wash your hands after you finish. Good job, friends. I love that you're having fun. See you next week.